This channel has just 69 videos and already crossed 40,000 subscribers. Most videos have millions of views. This one was posted just 4 days ago and got 14 million views. A single video like this is enough to get your channel monetized. And I checked the estimated revenue. This channel is earning between $5,000 to $16,000. Making these videos is way easier than you think. You just need 4 master prompts. You'll find all of them in the description below. Let's start. First, paste the channel analysis prompt into ChatGPT. Take a screenshot of the channel name with subscribers and attach it. Then take a screenshot of the videos with their views, titles, and thumbnails and attach that too. Hit enter. ChatGPT will analyze the channel and tell you these videos can be recreated using AI along with a step-by-step process. But you don't need to go through all of it. Now copy the topic prompt from the prompt PDF, paste it into ChatGPT, choose how many ideas you want. I'm going with 10 and hit enter. ChatGPT gives you 10 topic ideas. Pick the one you like. Now copy the image prompt from the PDF, paste it into ChatGPT, add your chosen topic and the number of images you want. I'm going with 5 and hit enter. Copy the first image prompt. Head over to Google Gemini, choose create image, paste the prompt and add this after it, hyphen AR9 to 16 for vertical format. Hit enter and your image generates. Download it. Now here's the important part for visual continuity. Before every next prompt, write this line first. Use the above image as the reference image, then paste the next image prompt. This keeps the same camera angle, structure, and atmosphere across all images. Repeat for all 5. Now copy the video prompt from the PDF, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will give you transition video prompts between the images. Copy video prompt 1, head to Google Flow, click New Project, and upload all your generated images. Set image 1 as the start frame and image 2 as the end frame. Paste the video prompt, select the right options, and hit generate. Flow will create an ultra-realistic video in seconds. Repeat this for every image pair. Now open any editor, import all the videos, arrange them in sequence, scale up slightly to hide the VO watermark, export, and your satisfying dental short is ready to post. You've seen the process. You've seen the results. The prompts are free in the description. Now go make your first one and subscribe for the next tutorial.